hiccups, I have a cure. I walk up behind them and gently, ever so gently, scream as loud as I can. I have a 95% success rate with this technique. In fact, knowing the cure often stops the hiccups before they start. Over the past 2 years, JT has attempted the cure on me, even when I don't have the hiccups. He has approached the cure from all sides, behind me, as I walk by, around corners. And my favorite, he had a student ask me questions to distract me, and he came up from behind me and gently screamed as loud as he could. It's my job to challenge students, and I feel I've done a good job with JT. He never gave up, and he continued to modify and improve his approach. This is a sign of a great student. I believe in JT, and someday, I hope he scares the cheese right out of me.